Alright, today we will be doing a Math Olympiad word problem. Paul has half as many pieces of candy as Jennifer. Jennifer has half as many as Charles. Charles has 12 times as many as Susan. Susan has 4 pieces. How many pieces do Charles and Paul have all? The first step is to translate this word problem into pure mathematics. It will help us visualize this better. Paul has half as many pieces of candy as Jennifer. We can write that as P equals J divided by 2. Jennifer has half as many as Charles. J equals C divided by 2. Charles has 12 times as many as Suzanne. C equals 12 times S. Susan has 4 pieces. S equals 4. How many pieces do Charles and Paul have altogether? Let's start with this equation. C equals 12 times S. Since we already know that S equals 4, let's replace S with 4. C equals 12 times 4. 4 times 12 equals 48. That means C equals 48. Jennifer equals C divided by 2. C is equal to 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. J equals 24. P equals J divided by 2. J is equal to 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. P equals 12. The question is, how many pieces do Charles and Paul have altogether? Altogether means it is an addition problem. Here is the equation. C plus P equals something. Now that we know that C equals 48 and P equals 12, and 48 plus 12 equals 60, 60 is the answer. Charles and Paul have 60 pieces of candy altogether. Thanks for watching. This is Karen from Inquisitive Kids.